Hello, Soltarians. My name is Yoo-Hyun Kim. I'm the CSO of Soltaire, and I'll be sharing with you our weekly report. To get things started, we had our game assessment done by BASE. They are the leading P2E gaming organization, not just in Latin America, but in all over the world. So I am very excited to share that news, which means we'll be launching in Brazil very soon. So be on the lookout for that. Also, we are launching the Soltaire tournament in Vietnam, and the details will be revealed very soon, so please be on the lookout for that as well. Thirdly, our Soltaire MBTI test will be launching very soon. It will tell you what kind of Soltaire character your personality is closest to, so that should be a lot of fun. Next, our Soltaire community managers, the Common Mutt and Taxi Mask, will be very active in the Twitter space, so please be on the lookout for them as well. Also, our Soltaire Play tutorial will be up and running, making it easier for newcomers to get acquainted to our game very easily. Also, our Soltaire announcement page will be up and running very soon. It will hold all the necessary information and all the current events that are happening with Soltaire at any given moment, so it should be very efficient and effective way of delivering messages as well. For our development and design part of our team, our Elemental Battle has gone through a major shift. Our Big Bang Effect is now in play, and also the betting system has been enhanced. So please check that out. Also, our in-game item, the reroll item, will allow you to redraw your deck of cards if you are not satisfied with the ones you are given at every beginning of the game. So that should be very exciting as well. Also, for a limited amount of time, for 7 days, you will be able to change your nickname at a discounted price. So please check that out. Also, our round by round statistics will be up and running for you guys to see. Also, for the operational side of things, we are at the last stages of listing our token at another major Korean exchange. So more details will be available soon. And last but not least, our Discord community policy has changed, so please check that out. And our weekly report, the video you're watching right now, will be given out in a short video clip format every Friday from now on, so I'll be seeing you every Friday. Until next time, bye-bye.